What's going on, everybody? This is Grand 10 Projects here. So I just got this phone mounting system from Bulletpoint Mounting Solutions in today. I'm going to show you how to install it in a 2022 Ford F-150 STX. Might be a little bit different for higher trim packages, but it should mostly be the same. So let me show you what I got here, and then we'll go jump into installing this. So in the main box here, you get the actual phone mount here, which is a very nice material. It's like milled aluminum, and this is the spring mount. They also have like MagSafe adapters, but I opted for that. This is the carbon fiber adjustment arm for the phone mount itself. This is the Ruby Grid system here. It's a very, very nice piece of CNC milled steel. And then you also get one of the ball mounts that the arm attaches to this Ruby Grid with. You also get your massive bag of hardware here. It comes with a bottle opener, some screwdrivers, a drill bit. So this looks like it might be a little bit of an intensive install, but shouldn't be too bad. And I also ordered some extra attachments here for my ham radio. So I have a walkie-talkie and trail radio mount here. This is an extra ball to mount it to this grid system, and then an extra arm here. And this one's a little bit shorter than I thought. I thought I ordered, well, I guess I did actually order two of those. I haven't really looked at it, but so I've got another one of these arms for that. And yeah, and if you order a certain amount of money, you get a free t-shirt. So that's always nice, and there's always a bunch of stickers with this stuff. So anyway, all of this, I think it cost me around 180 bucks, somewhere in that range. I used a coupon code to get it a little bit cheaper, but let's go get this installed and see how it looks. All right, so first step is to remove this rubber piece from the top of the dash. You're gonna take your Ruby Grid system, set her on up in there, and then where all of these mounting holes on the bottom are, you're gonna make a mark in the plastic underneath, so you can go back and drill those later. Then once you've done that, you're gonna remove this and then take out these two 7mm bolts from the top of the dash, slide a trim tool up in here, and they give one in the kit to pop this out. You're gonna pop this piece of trim out and then start drilling your holes. All right, so once you've drilled out your 7 holes here, you're gonna take this and just double check and make sure it all lines up, which mine does. And then you're gonna remove these Phillips screws to remove this top piece from the base. And then you're gonna run all your hardware through the mounting holes in here, through your plastic, and put the washers and nuts on the bottom side to secure it on. Then put your top piece back on, and then basically just reinstall all this. All right, so now with the base installed and with the lock nuts and washers on the back, you're going to go ahead and re-plug in your speaker, or in my case the dummy wire, back into there. Pop all your clips back in, and then put your two 7mm bolts right there. So once you've popped these in, put your 2 bolts in there. Bulletpoint recommends installing self-tapping screws that are supplied in this hole here, this one here, this one here, and this one right here. That's just to make it a little bit more sturdy and prevent vibrations. It's just 4 Phillips head self-tapping screws. All right, once you've installed your self-tapping screws, you'll go ahead and re-screw your top plate back onto the mount. All right, so I misspoke. Basically, you're gonna take that top piece off and leave it off once you install the base, and kind of figure, like, just loosely lay it on top and figure out where you want your arms to go. And then you'll attach your arms with the supplied hardware outside of it and then screw it back onto the base. But here's the finished product. I've got my ham radio mount right here. I've got my phone mount right there. Hopefully I can fit a CB radio up in the middle at some point once I get a smaller one outside of my, I think it's a Cobra 29 LTD, which is like a big semi-truck unit. And it's gonna be kind of bulky on the dash, but anyway, here it is. The thing seems super solid, super well built. The only thing that sucks is that this rubber tray is no longer used, And so what I might do is just cut that back piece off and put it up here to, if I put like sunglasses and stuff on it. But anyway, that's it. And y'all have a good one.